You've been doing push-ups, but your chest still looks flat. Your arms aren't popping, and your shoulders, forgettable. Well, that's about to change. In this video, I'm going to show you 6 powerful push-up variations that will transform your chest, arms, shoulders, and even core. And the best part, you don't need a gym, just your body and the discipline to show up. So if you're tired of average results and ready to level up, let's get started. 1. The RCHER push-up for asymmetrical power. This is the king of bodyweight control. The Archer push-up forces one side of your chest and triceps to work nearly in isolation. You're basically doing a one-arm push-up with style. Builds unilateral strength, blows up your triceps and chest, builds balance and control. Pro tip: go slow, feel the stretch, and press with force. Aim for 6 to 10 reps each side. 2. The explosive C-lap push-up for fast twitch dominance. Want that powerful, explosive upper body that looks athletic? This one's for you. The clap push-up activates your fast twitch muscle fibers, builds explosive strength, strengthens tendons and joints, enhances reaction speed. Pro tip: keep the core tight. Land soft. This isn't just a trick, it's a performance builder. Start with 3 to 5 reps. Rest. Repeat. 3. The pike push-up, shoulders like boulder. Forget military press. This bodyweight move targets your front delts better than most machines at the gym. Shoulder strength and shape. Prepares you for handstand push-ups. Builds upper chest. Pro tip: push your head between your arms and bring your nose close to the ground. Do 10 to 12 reps for 3 sets. 4. The diamond push-up for triceps of steel. Want horseshoe-shaped triceps? The diamond push-up is your secret weapon. It's brutal, but effective. Direct triceps overload. Inner chest engagement. Great for arm definition. Pro tip: keep elbows tight. If you feel it burning early, you're doing it right. Crank out 8 to 12 reps. Don't cheat. 5. The slow mo push-up, time under tension. If you want real strength and muscle definition, it's not just what you do, it's how you do it. Enter the slow-mo push-up. Builds control, increases muscle breakdown in a good way, skyrockets mind-muscle connection. Pro tip: 5 seconds down, 1 second hold, 2 seconds up. No momentum, pure control. Try 5 perfect reps. Trust me, it's enough. 6. The push-up hold for rock-solid core and endurance. This is a test of mental toughness and muscular endurance. It's a static hold that lights up your chest, core, arms, and mind. Builds isometric strength, hardens your midsection, increases push-up capacity. Pro tip: hold at the lowest position you can without touching the floor. Start with 20 seconds. Work up to a minute. BONUS type. Mix and NATJ. Ultimate push-up circuit. Want to build an upper body that commands respect? Here's your challenge. Do all 6 push-ups in a circuit. Archer X8, each side. Clap X5. Pike X10. Diamond X10. Slow-mo X5. Hold for 30 seconds. 3 rounds. 1 minute rest between. No equipment. No excuses. Push-ups don't just build your body, they build your character. And if you made it this far, you've already got the mindset of someone who doesn't settle for average. Hit that like button if you're feeling the burn. SUBSSORIB for more home workouts that build real strength. And comment below, no GM, no PURELEM, if you're going to try this routine today. Until next time, stay strong inside and out.